Today I've decided to move some of my tomato plants out to the greenhouse. In total there is over 200 in here. The thought behind the trial is to see if they can make it now in April and grow fine in there. So let's go. Hello everybody. New day today. Now it's time for some of these tomatoes to move outside to the greenhouse. So the number I've decided on is 25. So now they're gonna get a ride from here to there. Riding along. Yeah, we made it. Barely. It's pretty windy outside. So I'm gonna put 5 in each row and see how they do. Okay, this is a trial run of having the tomatoes in the greenhouse. It's the 15th of April. And I'm gonna try out to have some tomatoes here for some time and see how they do. In total right now I've got 25. I'm just trying out. Later on in total it's gonna be around 60 or 70 plants inside here. So yeah, let's hope it goes good.